Alright, today, early morning, we're off to do an ATV adventure around Mayon Volcano. Trying to get everything ready. Still kind of early. So I haven't really woken up yet. But should be fun. Should be a fun day. So, unfortunately, we don't have a GoPro. This would have been really nice with a GoPro. I even had my chesty with me, so I could just let the GoPro go while I was driving. But we only have the G7X with us today, so hopefully we get some good video. I'm not sure if they'll let us, because they kind of don't let you hold your camera. They let the guide does the photo shooting for you and all that stuff, so we'll see. Maybe good pictures, but I'm not quite sure about footage. Here's a sample of one of our ATVs. It's in my favorite color, orange. This thing's supposed to go into the water over black lava, all that good stuff. We will find out when we get on. So far so good. It's been kind of fun. There's our, oh, where'd the guy go? There's our guide over there bringing our ATVs through the hard river because he has no faith in us. Just got off our ATVs to trek up onto the black lava. That's the wife up there with the guide talking about how many times Mount Mayon has, or the Mayon Volcano has erupted and when lava comes out. So what we're standing on, what we're climbing on right now is black lava that came out in 2006. It's actually got a pretty good view over there. But right now I need to climb some more. Alright, so Mount Mayon is right behind us, and Mount Mayon is known for being shy because it's always sticking to the clouds.
The back of a 100 peso bill, you can see the perfect town of Mayon Volcano. According to urban legends, before there was a Mount Mayon or volcano, before there was a very pretty lady named Magayon, and then she had a boyfriend named Ulap, and then they had a tragic love story. In the end, they died together, and they were buried over there. And then as time comes by, they can see that the soil is coming up and up, going up until it became a Mount Mayon. So when you say Mount Mayon, it literally means beautiful, because Magayon means beautiful. So when they see clouds covering the Mount Mayon, they say that it's Ulap kissing Magayon.
What up, world? We are the Wandering Waffle Heads. We would like to hear from you.
Comment below if you have questions or suggestions for us.
Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube.
Like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.